Welcome to the best pick. The best Logitech ring light is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any content creator looking to elevate their video quality, offering a professional and consistent lighting solution that banishes shadows and enhances your appearance on camera, making it an indispensable tool for streamers, YouTubers, and anyone who wants to look their best on screen. Number 5. Webcam light stand with ring light. Elevate your live streams and selfies with this versatile lighting solution. It's designed to provide the perfect illumination for any situation. Featuring a 24.2-inch gooseneck arm and a 360-degree rotating clip, you can easily adjust it to any angle. Get the perfect shot for your live stream, video calls, or even as a desk lamp. Achieve your desired look with multiple hue and brightness settings. Choose from 3 light colors and 10 brightness levels to suit your needs, whether for makeup, selfies, or vlogging. Easily control your lighting with the corded remote. It's USB powered and compatible with PCs, laptops, and battery banks, making it incredibly portable and convenient. This device includes a phone bracket that fits almost all smartphones, with or without a case. It's perfect for capturing content on the go. Specifically designed to work seamlessly with popular Logitech webcam models like the C925E, C922X, and Brio 4K. Achieve professional quality video. What we like. This light offers incredible flexibility with its 24.2-inch gooseneck arm, allowing you to position it at any angle. It features multiple hue and brightness settings for the perfect look. If you need a highly adaptable light that's easy to power anywhere, this is a great choice for live streams or video calls. What people say. The ring light is very bright and has adjustable brightness levels, making it easy to get the perfect lighting for videos or photos. It comes with a sturdy stand that is adjustable in height, ensuring the light can be positioned exactly where needed. The ring light has a built-in diffuser that provides soft, even lighting, reducing harsh shadows and creating a professional look. Number 4. JIANJIN 18 Dimmable LED Ring Light Kit. Introducing the JIANJIN 18-inch ring light kit. This versatile lighting solution is designed for creators on the go, offering professional quality illumination in a portable package. Featuring 416 high-performance LEDs, it provides a powerful 55W output with adjustable brightness from 1% to 100%. Achieve the perfect lighting for any scenario with a color temperature range of 2600K to 6700K. This kit comes complete with a multifunctional, durable suitcase that securely holds all accessories, including the tripod stand. Its intelligent design ensures everything you need is conveniently stored and protected. Easily adjust settings with the included 2.4G remote controller, which operates up to 10 meters away. The adjustable tripod stand and 360-degree rotating lamp board ensure stable, customizable positioning for your camera or smartphone. Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, self-portraits, and more, this ring light kit helps you create stunning photos and videos with exceptional clarity and color accuracy, CRI 90. It even includes a USB charging port to keep your devices powered. Experience the difference with JIANJIN's commitment to quality. We offer a 7-month warranty for refund or replacement, ensuring your satisfaction with our upgraded 18-inch ring light. What we like. This 18-inch ring light provides a large, uniform light source with a high CRI for accurate color rendering. It comes with a convenient, multifunctional suitcase that holds all accessories, including the stand. If you're looking for a professional lighting setup that's easy to transport and offers excellent light quality for photography or video, this kit is ideal. What people say. The light is very bright and adjustable, with multiple brightness levels and color temperatures. It's easy to set up and use, with a stable stand that doesn't tip over. The ring light provides even lighting for video calls and streaming, reducing shadows and improving image quality. Number 3. HumanCentric Video Conference Lighting Double Kit. Elevate your video calls and streaming with our advanced lighting solution. It ensures you always look professional and confident on camera, no matter the setting. Say goodbye to harsh shadows and uneven illumination. Our kit provides a soft, natural glow that enhances your appearance and boosts engagement during video meetings. Setting up is a breeze with its secure, non-damaging clip design. Position it on your monitor or laptop in seconds for an instant upgrade to your video presence. Experience a flattering, diffused light thanks to the pre-installed panel. It mimics natural light for a more comfortable and appealing look on any video call. Customize your lighting with adjustable brightness and temperature. Plus, you can easily expand your setup to create even more immersive lighting for recording. This device requires a USB-C or USB-A port for power. While an adapter is included, a separate USB wall adapter may be needed for maximum brightness. What we like. This is a double light kit designed specifically for video conferencing and streaming, offering even facial illumination. It mounts directly onto your monitor or laptop for a clean setup. If you prioritize a professional look for online meetings and want an easily expandable lighting solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. The light is bright and adjustable, making it easy to get the perfect lighting for videos. The ring light is well built and feels sturdy, not like cheap plastic. It comes with a stand and a phone mount, which is convenient for setting up. Number 2. Weilisi 10.5 ring light with tripod stand. Experience lighting like never before with our innovative full-screen design. It offers a larger, brighter light-emitting surface for any angle, ensuring you're always perfectly illuminated. Our advanced technology provides softer, more uniform light. This makes your skin look natural, enhances facial features, and protects your eyes while you look your best. Tailor your lighting with 10 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures. Whether it's warm, natural, or cold light, you'll find the perfect setting anytime, anywhere. This versatile tripod extends from 39 to 69 inches, made from durable aluminum. It easily adjusts to your height needs and features a standard mount for your equipment. Take photos and group shots from up to 30 feet away with the included wireless remote. It's compatible with most phones, making content creation a breeze. The phone holder rotates 360 degrees and fits most smartphones. Capture stunning photos and videos from any angle with ease. Perfect for video recording, live streaming, makeup, Zoom meetings, and more. Use it indoors or outdoors, as a selfie light, studio light, or computer light. What we like. Featuring a unique full-screen design, this light offers a larger and softer light-emitting surface for more natural illumination. It boasts 360 degrees rotation for the light head and an adjustable tripod stand. If you desire a brighter, softer light that can be precisely positioned for various applications like makeup or live streaming, this is an excellent option. What people say. The light is bright and has a good range of brightness settings. The ring light is easy to set up and adjust. It provides even lighting for video calls and streaming. Number 1. Weilisi 10.2 Desk Ring Light. Experience soft and uniform light that restores natural colors without harsh shadows. It's perfect for enhancing your features during video conferences or detailed tasks, creating an ideal workspace. This desk lamp features an upgradable telescoping stand, allowing for an extendable pole length of up to 11.42 inches. This ensures optimal coverage for your workspace or webcam setup. Easily direct the light exactly where you need it with its 360 degrees rotating capability. This versatile desk lamp can be positioned at any angle to suit your work needs, functioning as a desktop, laptop, or computer light. The lighting head offers a 180 degrees adjustable angle, making it simple to position for top-down lighting. This feature is excellent for video recording, live streaming, reading, or baking, ensuring your application benefits from the best light. Featuring an upgraded metal C-clamp with a non-slip silicone base, it securely attaches to surfaces up to 2.34 inches wide without scratching. This design keeps your desk looking cleaner and tidier. Build your perfect lighting with edge-lit LED technology. It offers 10 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures, powered by a 5V3A adapter, to significantly improve your photo and video quality. This desktop ring light is easy to install and incredibly convenient for various uses. It's ideal for home offices, Zoom meetings, video recording, live streaming, gaming, and reading, fitting seamlessly into your workspace. What we like. This desk ring light comes with a stable C-clamp mount, making it ideal for saving desk space while providing excellent lighting. The light head can rotate 360 degrees and the arm is adjustable for optimal positioning. If you work in a home office, podcast, or game and need a dedicated, space-saving lighting solution that's easy to set up, this is the one for you. What people say. The light is bright and has a good color temperature. It's easy to adjust the brightness and color temperature. The ring light is well built and feels sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.